we want to talk to you just for 2 seconds about an option that we've had the privilege for 60 years between us, 40 years for me and 20 years for him, to be a part of, where life can be meaningful.
And it's the self-education industry. The reason Tony and I have been friends for over a decade. The one thing we had in common was the fact that neither one of us went down traditional education.
Yeah.
And we felt like there was no other hope. My guidance counselor said to me, oh, you're not going to college, no SATs, you should apply at the only factory in our town for minimum wage. She never shared there was something in the middle. It wasn't cool yet, but something has shifted. Self-education is becoming the new norm. It's what Tony and I found. I learned from so many teachers, including you. You impacted my life over 25 years ago, and all of a sudden I found a new way. Well, here's the thing. The ability to extract what you know, a hobby, a skill, a passion, an expertise, or extract what other people know, and share it in a methodical way through Skype, through Zoom, through a group, through a mastermind, through a course. And this is what Tony and I have been doing together for over 60 years, and we decided to share it with the world. If you're someone who would love to make an impact, to love to help other people, then you're going to want to know more about the self-education industry.
So if you really are interested in just at least finding out what's available, we'd like to sincerely add value to you by showing you the best of what we've learned over the last combined 60 years. And all you got to do is click on the link and then get into your calendar and don't miss the date, because you don't want to miss out on an opportunity that could really open up the doors for you.